Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to connect your Wi-Fi gateway. Getting your new gateway set up is a straightforward process, and I'm here to guide you through each step. First, let's make sure you have everything you need and find the perfect spot for your device. A good location can make a big difference in your internet experience, providing strong signal coverage to every corner of your home. Let's get started. Now that your gateway is in place, it's time to make the essential physical connections. Start by securely attaching the coaxial cable. This is crucial for your internet signal. Next, connect the power adapter and plug it into a reliable power source. Once powered on, your gateway will begin its startup sequence. Please be patient as the indicator lights cycle through, eventually settling into a steady state, indicating a successful connection. With the physical connections complete, the next step is to activate your gateway. Most providers offer an easy online activation process. Simply open a web browser on a device connected to your new Wi-Fi network, and you should be redirected to an activation page. Follow the instructions carefully, providing your account details or the gateway's serial number. If you encounter any issues, don't hesitate to reach out to your internet service provider for assistance. Finally, let's secure your new Wi-Fi network. It's vital to change the default settings to protect your personal information and ensure a private connection. Log into your gateway's administration page, usually found at a specific IP address like 192.168.0.1. Update your network name, and most importantly, create a robust password. A strong password, ideally over 12 characters, will keep your network safe and secure.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.